Okay, for exercise number 11, we are now going to use something called relative coordinates. Now, relative coordinates are much like absolute coordinates, except they differ in one thing. Where absolute coordinates, everything goes from the 0, 0 point. Relative coordinates goes from the last point you're at. So every time we drew one of these lines, the very last point of that line, Rhino saved. And if we would switch to relative, it would go from that point instead of going all the way back to the 0 point. So it would save a couple steps and save some thinking when you have a larger drawing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the relative coordinate system. So in exercise number 11, it tells us to go back up to our curve menu, and then we're going to go to polyline and polyline. Now the start point here, it tells us type in 8, 0 and hit the enter key. So we're going to be over there. And now we are going to start using the relative coordinate system. So to do that, you're just going to type in R before you type in the coordinates. So R 5, 5 in this case tells the Rhino system or the computer from the point I'm at now, 5, 0 is where I want to go. So when I hit the line, it goes on a diagonal up to the right. So 5 units to the right from where I'm at now and 5 units up from where I'm at now. The next one it says is R negative 5, 0. Now it's a negative because from this point here, if I go left, which is what I want to do, it has to be a negative number in a coordinate system. So R negative 5, 1 or 0, hit the enter key. And then as in exercise number 10, to finish it off, we're going to hit the close button. So now we wind up with a triangle. So that is how to draw using the relative coordinate system.